In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. By the end, you'll have your domain pointing to your Hostinger hosting so you can start building or running your website smoothly. Let's start from your Hostinger dashboard, often called hPanel. This is the main control center for your hosting account where you manage your websites, domains, emails, and more. Go ahead and log into your Hostinger account, and once you're in, look for the section labeled Websites. This is where Hostinger groups all the tools related to creating and managing your site. Inside the website section, you'll see an option to create a new site or move an existing one. Click on Create or Migrate a Website. This is the starting point whether you're launching something brand new or bringing over a site from somewhere else. Even if you're not migrating anything right now, this is the correct path for connecting your domain to a fresh setup. After clicking that, Hostinger will walk you through a short setup process. Here, you'll be asked to choose your platform. You'll usually see options like WordPress, which is one of the most popular website platforms, or Hostinger's own AI website builder. If you already know you want to use WordPress, select that. If you prefer a simpler, more guided approach, the AI builder can be a good choice. Take a moment to choose the platform that fits your needs, because this will define how you build and manage your site later. Once you've selected your preferred platform, continue through the prompts until you reach the part where Hostinger asks you to choose a domain. This is a key step. Hostinger wants to know which web address should be connected to the website you're setting up. Here, instead of registering a brand new domain through Hostinger, you're going to use the one you already own on GoDaddy. So when you see the domain options, select Use an existing domain. This tells Hostinger that your domain is registered somewhere else and you want to connect it to the hosting account you're setting up now. You'll see a field to enter your domain name. Type in the full domain you own on GoDaddy, for example, yourdomain.com, without any extra spaces or characters. Take a second to double check the spelling, because even a small typo can cause connection issues later. When you're sure it's correct, click Continue. At this point, Hostinger will associate that domain with your new website setup. You'll later need to adjust the DNS or name server settings in your GoDaddy account so the domain actually points to Hostinger's servers. But inside Hostinger itself, this step officially links that GoDaddy domain to your hosting environment. As you move forward, Hostinger may give you some on-screen guidance about what to change in GoDaddy, so it's helpful to keep both accounts open in separate tabs. But from the Hostinger side, the essential actions are going to hPanel, creating or migrating a website, choosing your preferred platform, selecting Use an existing domain, and entering your GoDaddy domain name. That's all you need to do inside Hostinger to prepare the connection. Once your GoDaddy DNS is updated to match Hostinger's instructions, your domain and hosting will work together, and your site will be live at the address you entered.